Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. I'm so excited to take you through this stunning after-Christmas farmhouse home today. You know, that beautiful transition period after the holidays when we crave simplicity and warmth? That's exactly what we're exploring. This tour showcases how neutral decor can create the coziest atmosphere while maintaining that timeless farmhouse charm we all love. If you're ready to refresh your space with practical, budget-friendly ideas, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our design inspiration. And please drop a comment below telling me which room is your favorite. Let's start outside with this absolutely gorgeous farmhouse exterior. Notice the classic white board and batten siding paired with those warm, natural wood accents on the front door. After removing Christmas decorations, we've kept things beautifully simple with a neutral jute wreath and galvanized metal planters filled with evergreen clippings. The black metal house numbers and lantern-style sconces create wonderful contrast against the crisp white facade. This exterior embodies what we call modern farmhouse vernacular, a design approach that honors traditional farmhouse architecture while keeping things fresh and current. Simple, inviting, and absolutely timeless. Stepping inside, the entryway sets the tone beautifully. We've incorporated a stunning reclaimed wood bench with woven basket storage underneath, perfect for tucking away shoes while adding texture. Above hangs a simple row of matte black hooks displaying cozy knit scarves and wool hats. The neutral palette continues with a chunky braided jute rug that's both durable and stylish. A vintage-inspired wooden tray on the bench corrals keys and daily essentials. This space practices the design principle of form follows function, meaning every beautiful element serves a practical purpose. It's welcoming without feeling cluttered or overdone. The entryway's upper wall features an oversized arch-shaped mirror with a slim black frame, brilliant for reflecting natural light and making the space feel larger. Below, we've added a narrow console table in weathered oak that doesn't overwhelm the space. A galvanized metal tray holds a simple white ceramic pitcher filled with dried pampas grass, and a small wooden dough bowl contains river rocks. The neutral color story creates what designers call tonal layering, using various shades of whites, creams, and warm grays to add depth without introducing bold colors. This approach feels sophisticated yet incredibly calming and approachable. The living room is absolutely dreamy. The foundation starts with a generous linen slipcover sofa in oatmeal, so inviting and family-friendly. We've layered various textures through chunky knit throw blankets, linen pillows, and a jute pouch ottoman that doubles as extra seating. The shiplap accent wall in soft white creates architectural interest without overwhelming the space. A reclaimed wood coffee table with iron accents anchors the seating area. Notice how the neutral palette allows the natural wood tones and organic textures to shine. This exemplifies tactile minimalism, keeping things simple while ensuring every surface invites you to touch and experience it. Let's talk about those beautiful styling moments. The open shelving flanking the window showcases white ironstone pitchers, wooden cutting boards displayed vertically, and woven baskets for hidden storage. A simple wooden ladder leans casually in the corner, draped with a chunky knit throw. The mantel features candlesticks in varying heights with cream pillar candles, a small galvanized tray with white pumpkins, and a vintage wooden sign. This arrangement demonstrates asymmetrical balance, creating visual interest without perfect symmetry. The key is grouping items in odd numbers and varying heights while maintaining that cohesive neutral color palette throughout. Moving into the dining room, we're greeted by a stunning reclaimed wood trestle table that seats 8 comfortably. The beauty of farmhouse dining is its unpretentious elegance. We've mixed seating with upholstered linen dining chairs and a wooden bench on one side, perfect for casual family meals. Above, a wagon wheel chandelier with Edison bulbs provides ambient lighting. The table styling keeps things simple, A long wooden dough bowl filled with white candles and eucalyptus creates a beautiful centerpiece. Linen napkins in natural tones sit at each place setting. This approach embodies edited abundance, thoughtfully curated rather than cluttered. The dining room's character comes from thoughtful details. A vintage hutch in distressed white displays everyday white dishes, creating both storage and visual appeal. The open shelving showcases what we call curated collections, matching white pitchers and ironstone pieces that tell a cohesive story. A large farmhouse clock with Roman numerals adorns one wall, while a simple cotton rug in cream grounds the space. The windows are dressed in natural linen cafe curtains, filtering light beautifully while maintaining privacy. These elements create layers of interest while respecting the neutral, calming aesthetic that makes farmhouse design so timeless and livable. The kitchen is where farmhouse style truly shines. White shaker cabinets with brushed nickel hardware create a clean foundation, while open upper shelving displays everyday white dishes and wooden cutting boards. The countertops feature butcher block wood, adding warmth against the crisp white cabinetry. A farmhouse apron sink sits beneath a window dressed with a simple linen Roman shade. The vintage-inspired bridge faucet in oil-rubbed bronze adds character. Notice the subway tile backsplash in classic white. This timeless choice embodies enduring design, meaning it won't look dated in 5 years. It's practical, beautiful, and completely approachable. Let's explore the kitchen's styling touches. The open shelving incorporates woven baskets for corralling items, white ceramic canisters for dry goods, and small potted herbs in galvanized containers. The stainless steel refrigerator is adorned with a simple cotton tea towel hanging from the handle. Near the vintage-style gas range sits a white enamel utensil crock filled with wooden spoons and tools. A small chrome espresso machine occupies one counter corner, paired with a wooden tray holding white mugs. This demonstrates functional styling. Every decorative element serves a purpose while contributing to the overall aesthetic warmth. The family room embraces what we call lived-in luxury, comfortable enough for daily use while still looking beautifully designed. A deep sectional sofa in warm gray linen provides ample seating, layered with various textured pillows and a cable-knit throw. The focal point is a reclaimed wood media console beneath a wall-mounted flat-screen TV, styled with simple white bases and wooden boxes for media storage. A large jute rug anchors the space, and a vintage trunk serves as a coffee table with hidden storage. The neutral palette creates a serene backdrop for family movie nights and relaxation. What makes this family room special is the beautiful layering of textures. Notice the combination of smooth linen, chunky knits, weathered wood, and woven natural fibers, all in that cohesive, neutral palette. Built-in shelving flanks the media console, styled with books arranged both vertically and horizontally, woven baskets, and minimal decorative objects. A floor lamp with a linen shade provides task lighting for reading. The windows feature simple linen drapes in natural tones, softening the space. This exemplifies textural dialogue, using varied materials to create depth and interest without relying on color, resulting in sophisticated, calming spaces. Carved from a corner of the family room, this home office nook is brilliantly designed. A compact writing desk in reclaimed wood provides ample workspace without overwhelming the area. A vintage wooden chair with a neutral cushion offers comfortable seating. On the desk sits a small vintage radio, purely decorative but adding wonderful character. A unique brass desk clock keeps time while contributing to the curated aesthetic. Above the desk, simple floating shelves hold a few meaningful books and a small succulent in a white ceramic pot. This space demonstrates intentional zoning, creating distinct functional areas within open-plan living spaces. Adjacent to the office sits the dreamiest reading nook. A comfortable slip-covered armchair in cream linen is positioned near the window for natural light. A small wooden side table holds a simple white ceramic lamp and room for your current read. A woven basket tucked beside the chair stores extra throws and books. The window features a simple bamboo shade for light control. A sheepskin rug draped over the chair adds incredible texture and warmth. This nook embodies hygge design, the Danish concept of creating cozy, comfortable spaces that promote well-being and contentment through simplicity and natural materials. The primary bedroom is a masterclass in serene design. A white iron bed frame creates architectural interest while maintaining airiness. The bed is dressed in layers of white and cream linens, a duvet, quilted coverlet, and various linen pillows in soft neutrals. Matching wooden nightstands in weathered oak flank the bed, each topped with simple white ceramic lamps. A vintage wooden ladder leans against one wall, draped with quilts and throws. The neutral palette creates what designers call a restorative environment, a space so calming it actively promotes rest and relaxation. It's simple, sophisticated, and incredibly inviting. The bedroom's character emerges through thoughtful details. Above the bed hangs a large-scale piece of simple botanical art in a weathered wood frame. A woven jute rug softens the space beneath the bed. At the room's end, a vintage wooden bench provides seating and a place for laying out tomorrow's outfit. Small galvanized metal containers on the nightstands hold reading glasses and essentials. A cotton wreath in natural tones adorns one wall. These elements demonstrate restrained styling, having the discipline to include only what enhances the space rather than filling every surface, creating visual breathing room essential for peaceful bedrooms. The bathroom beautifully balances farmhouse charm with modern functionality. White shaker vanity cabinets with marble countertops create a clean foundation. A vessel sink in white ceramic sits atop the counter with an oil-rubbed bronze faucet. The mirror features a simple wooden frame in weathered finish. Open shelving beside the vanity holds rolled white towels, woven baskets for toiletries, and small potted eucalyptus. The shower area features classic white subway tile with gray grout, and a simple glass enclosure keeps things feeling open. This approach represents edited elegance, choosing quality over quantity to create sophisticated, uncluttered spaces. What elevates this bathroom are the organic, spa-like touches. A wooden stool holds a wire basket filled with rolled hand towels. The countertop features a small wooden tray with white soap dispensers and a cotton candle. A simple linen shower curtain in natural oatmeal adds softness. Small glass jars with wooden lids contain cotton balls and swabs. A sprig of dried eucalyptus hangs from the shower head, releasing subtle fragrance with the steam. These details create what we call sensory design, engaging multiple senses to enhance the daily experience, transforming routine activities into moments of simple luxury. Don't overlook the garage. This space features painted white walls and epoxy-coated flooring in soft gray. Heavy-duty metal shelving units organize tools and supplies, while galvanized metal bins corral smaller items. A vintage wooden workbench provides a functional workspace. Pegboard painted white hangs garden tools and supplies. Even here, we maintain the neutral aesthetic with white storage cabinets and natural wood accents. This demonstrates comprehensive design thinking, extending your aesthetic vision to every space, even utilitarian ones. When everything flows cohesively, your entire home feels intentional and well-designed rather than disjointed. The patio is an absolute dream for three-season living. A weathered teak dining table seats 6, surrounded by metal cafe chairs with neutral cushions. String lights with Edison bulbs create magical evening ambience. Large galvanized planters hold evergreen topiaries, maintaining year-round interest. A wooden bench against the house holds weather-resistant pillows in cream and gray. The space features a jute outdoor rug defining the dining area. This outdoor room practices indoor-outdoor continuity, extending your interior design aesthetic outside to create seamless flow. It's perfect for morning coffee, casual dinners, or simply enjoying the fresh air. What a beautiful journey through this after-Christmas farmhouse home. We've explored how neutral decor creates timeless, calming spaces that never go out of style. The key takeaways? Layer textures generously, embrace natural materials, practice restraint in styling, and let quality pieces shine. Remember, farmhouse design isn't about perfection. It's about creating warm, livable spaces that welcome you home every day. If you loved this tour, please give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment sharing which room inspired you most. Don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for your weekly dose of design inspiration. Until next time, keep creating spaces you absolutely love